is now the 6th largest economy in Africa, recently upgraded by Standard & Poor's from B- to B, a clear signal of stronger macroeconomic fundamentals. Inflation has averaged 3.8% between January and October 2025. The exchange rate has been steady at Kenya shillings 130, 129, 130 to the dollar over the last 18 months, and our dollar reserves have doubled in the last 3 years. Diaspora remittances reached US dollars 5.1 billion in 2024, surpassing many exports, while pension assets have grown to US dollars 18 billion, creating a deep pool of long-term capital. We have introduced investor-friendly reforms, zero-rating VAT on export services, tax reforms that let corporates offset their claims against future liabilities, and removal of the 30% domestic equity requirement for ICT companies, unlocking more investment in our digital space. With a population of 55 million, Kenya is more than just a domestic market. It is the natural gateway to East and Central Africa, and through the Africa Continental Free Trade Area, a springboard into a US dollars 3.7 trillion market of 1.4 billion people in the African continent. Kenya also enjoys privileged access to major markets through several trade agreements that we have already signed. The US market through AGOA, and I will be discussing with officials of the United States later this week on the extension of AGOA. The EU market through the Economic Partnership Agreement that we have already signed and came into operation last year in June. The UK market that again earlier this year we consolidated that position with the Prime Minister of Britain when I visited the UK. And the UAE market through the Comprehensive Economic Partnership Agreement, and of course the East Africa Community Market. Collectively, these markets give Kenya access to a combined market worth US dollars 50.1 trillion and 1.19 billion people.